A boost for sterling as the British Prime Minister outlined her Brexit plans. But what's really going on in the currency markets?
Tuesday's speech from Theresa May outlining the UK's position on Brexit has really generated a short squeeze in sterling. The speech had been expected over the last 2 weeks. Sterling had actually fallen 3% over those 2 weeks, so in a way it sort of sell the rumour in sterling and actually buying it on the fact of the speech.
We did get some clarity about Britain's Brexit position, but Chris didn't hear anything that fundamentally changes his outlook for the pound.
No, not really. I think the only new piece of information was the fact that the final Brexit deal would be put to the UK Parliament. But what does that mean in practice? If we file Article 50 by the end of March this year, the UK is leaving the EU by March 2019. And the question is, do we have a deal or we don't from the UK? Well, we're still leaving the EU, so in reality, nothing changes.
One of the conviction trades this year has, of course, been to sell sterling and buy the dollar. But you can see how the pound rose against the greenback as Mrs May made her speech. Let's not forget, though, we are about to get President Donald Trump.
What we've heard very recently is actually Trump complaining that the dollar's too strong. So right ahead of May's speech, the dollar was actually starting to softening, and I think that has added to the short squeeze in cable. But overall, though, we think the dollar trend will sit with us this year. Trump can't have it all. He can't have loose fiscal, tight monetary policy and a weaker dollar. So we would back the dollar this year, and it probably means cable can go to a low point somewhere near 115 by the end of the first quarter.